Hi there everyone. Today I'm gonna be making apricot loaf. I'm gonna start to do it now. I have everything here and I will start with the eggs. Okay. Okay, we'll start beating the eggs with the sugar. And the oil. Now I'm gonna add the cream cheese and make sure it's nice and soft. Like at room temperature. I'm going to scrape the sides. Okay. I'm going to add the apricots. It doesn't take long to do this cake. This loaf. Mix everything together until it's all well incorporated. Put it inside. Just gonna mix it. And it's ready to go in the oven. I'm gonna just get this. I don't want to waste it. It's all ready. And I will show it to you when it comes out. Okay, later. Okay, the loaf is ready. It's been cooling off and I'm gonna take it out from the pan. Okay, I'm gonna decorate it now. You can put some apricot jam on top with some coconut. And this is some sweetened coconut. Mm-hmm. Looks nice, eh? Delicioso. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.